Uh, that's a
This
humidifier, actually. Oh,
Right there is.
sorry. Sorry, what was
this
that?
is like
That's a
industrial.
dehumidifier.
Yeah, that's the humidifier.
Oh,
And then
humidifier.
and the dehumidifier is right there.
Oh,
So
This
it's
is
a Quest
crazy.
205,
right.
and that's been working great for the space for sure. Let's see here.
So you cover the walls.
Yeah,
You cover the
serious.
walls. Do you suggest that? Do you recommend that covering?
Definitely, I did this in my condo with the Panda film, and it's honestly it just keeps things a lot cleaner. Like you don't gotta worry about drywall getting all soaked and stuff. Say you're
Right.
spraying or doing something, you don't gotta worry
Yeah.
about it too much.
Yeah.
So I definitely really like it. It's kind of personal preference for sure, though.